Hi guys, welcome back to Financial Markets. Hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to discuss the most hated, stock by hedge funds and funds in general, Tesla, which has ripped up in people's faces within the last month. And it's been one of the best trades that I've held that has given me such a big return in a short space of time. Let me know actually if you want to see a contract note and a history of that position. It would be quite interesting to put it out there. But anyway, I thought it would be interesting to discuss what actually happened with the stock, why has it ripsawed, and what has actually happened to everyone that was holding and twiddling their thumbs around it. And so basically what happened was, when Tesla announced their last earnings report, they had mentioned that they had made a profit, and this was the first time they had made a profit since the company's been, well, actually they've had another period in a quarter where they did make a profit, but this was the most anticipated because people have thought that this company cannot make any money and cannot make profits. But the reality is, for most people, they don't seem to understand that Tesla can keep making money every year if they wanted to, if they stop reinvesting money into the form of capex back into the business. But naturally, because they want to keep growing the business, they keep investing the money they earn from the car sales back into the firm, which is then costing them to have a zero bottom line. But that doesn't mean that the company cannot be profitable. And so what actually happened was that they reported that the hedge funds that were massively short, there's 20% that was in short interest of the stock. And that stock just went completely off the roof. And if you see here, back in October, December 18, at $300, it went all the way to $900. It's an insane transaction. It's insane. And I think that people don't seem to realize with Tesla, it's not just a car company. They're obviously revolutionizing the industry. They have pushed all the competitors out because now Tesla is grabbing market share like crazy. You've got people there competing with GM, General Motors in the US, who own a wide range of the entire market within the US. And now Tesla's giving them a battle, and in fact producing and selling a lot more cars than them now. And so that is the reality of the business. And what they're also doing is that they have an electrical battery powered business, which is a lot more than cars. And that's going to be another revenue stream for Tesla. And a guy that I think everybody should follow and watch is this guy. He's been a Tesla bull for a long time, and he's one guy I usually like to listen to a lot. His name is Ron Barron, and he is actually a mutual fund manager within the US who actually does within his funds have exposure to SpaceX and Tesla, and he has been one of the early backers in Tesla. And so he talks about the different aspects of how they generate money and where they can unlock bigger potential value. So I think the best person you guys could watch is Ron Barron. He comes on CNBC a lot, and you can watch and hear what his thoughts are on Tesla, and that should give you a bit more of an insight. But I thought it'd be interesting just to discuss this. And where do I think the stock will go now? I mean, if you've missed it, you've missed it. Now would be a time to sit tight, let this market correction happen, see what Tesla can bottom at, and then if you are interested, you could go back in and put some money in. But it's no point buying a stock right now that's trading at $700, $800, $900. It just makes no sense to me personally. I am out of my position. I got out about $8.50. I got out, and I'm willing now to sit tight and just wait till we get a bit more of a fall, and I might get in again. And so that's the rollover trader. We don't want to hold it like that, because if you had a massive up run that quickly, it's a good idea to now take some money off the table and then look to reinvest later on. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.